Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get down to the details of products that really make a difference in our daily routines. Now, if you're someone who struggles to get a truly clean feeling between your teeth, you know flossing just doesn't always cut it. That's where GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens come in. This product promises a better clean for those hard-to-reach areas in your mouth, especially if you're using braces or other dental devices. So, let's find out if these soft-bristled dental picks actually live up to their claims. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are interdental brushes with soft bristles designed to slide effortlessly between your teeth for deep cleaning. The angled shape makes it easier to access tight spots, which is a big plus for anyone who has a crowded mouth or wears braces. The bristles are treated with a hygienic solution, ensuring they stay clean for up to 10 days of use, and the protective travel cap is perfect for carrying them on the go. Each pack contains 4 brushes, and they're designed to be reusable, which is a nice environmentally friendly touch. Now, when I first tried these, I was curious about how well they would compare to floss. Let's face it, flossing isn't always the easiest or most effective way to get rid of plaque. But these interdental brushes, they fit comfortably between the teeth and are much easier to maneuver around tricky spots. It felt gentler than traditional floss, and I could feel the deep clean immediately after use. I could get in between the teeth and around my gums without worrying about the bristles scratching or damaging my braces. That's where this product really shines. It's made for dental appliances like braces, which makes it a game changer for those with metal fixtures in their mouths. Of course, it wasn't perfect. The soft bristles are effective, but if you have wider gaps between your teeth, you may need a larger size of brush to really make a difference. Also, the small size can be tricky for people who prefer a longer handle, so keep that in mind if you have larger hands or need extra grip. But let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are clear. These brushes are easy to use, gentle on dental appliances, and ideal for tight spaces. The hygienic bristle treatment ensures they stay clean, and the portable design makes them great for on-the-go use. Plus, they're reusable, which adds an eco-conscious touch. The cons: the small size may not be ideal for people with wider gaps between teeth, and it may take a little getting used to if you've only ever used traditional floss. As for value for money, these brushes are priced reasonably, especially considering that they're reusable and come with a travel cap. When you factor in how often people with braces need to clean between their teeth, the price is justified by the convenience and effectiveness. In terms of comparisons, there are other interdental brushes on the market, but the GUM Proxabrush stands out because of its unique angled design, which makes it easier to reach tight spots without straining. While other brands offer similar products, GUM's attention to detail with the hygienic bristle coating and the portability factor sets it apart from the rest. When it comes to build quality, these brushes feel sturdy despite their small size. The nylon-coated wire and soft bristles hold up well over time, and the cap protects the brush head from dirt and damage, which is important for maintaining hygiene, especially when traveling. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service for GUM is known for being responsive and helpful should you ever run into any issues with their products. Although I haven't had any direct interaction, the brand has a solid reputation for customer support. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other interdental brushes at a similar price point, but I'd recommend these for anyone with braces or dental appliances because of the specific design for those needs. You could also look into other reusable dental picks, but they might not offer the same targeted performance for hard-to-reach spots. To sum it all up, GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens do a great job of cleaning between the teeth, especially for those who wear braces or other dental devices. They're portable, easy to use, and gentle. The only downside is the smaller size for wider gaps, but overall, this is a solid product that lives up to its claims. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.